It is basically an appreciation certificate to all the participants who have participated.
Hi, welcome. You have been the participant in this particular show. What has been your experience? अपना नाम बताइए और अपना experience share कीजिए.
Sure. My name is Rashmi Grover, and my experience here is very nice, and it's very learning, and I really enjoyed it.
What you cooked actually today?
I cooked here kebab, banana kebab, and it is with it is totally steamed. So I cooked it very nutritionally and very in a very healthy way, and I served it with a dip that is made up of sesame and makhana, and one more dip that is made up of amrud and mint.
Have you been practicing this cooking at home, or it is just a hobby that you do?
I'm practicing this, and I have taken part in previous other concerts also. And because I'm passionate about cooking, and I always keep on trying innovative things and just want to make unhealthy things healthy.
Can you just share the recipe?
Sure. It is the kebab I have made with unripened banana that we call green bananas, along with the amla. I have taken 4 bananas and 2 amlas with that. I have grated both the bananas, and I have taken the peel also, because the peel of banana, green banana, is also edible. So I have taken that also. And then I mix it with a basin, and then I make a dough. And in that I have stuffed that red and yellow bell pepper, and that red and yellow pepper I have seasoned with garlic and sesame and a bit of salt. I have seasoned it that, and add in the middle of that batter. I have made like a roti like that, and then I have stuffed in the middle of that, and then I make a roll. And then I have taken a kadhai. In that kadhai I have taken like 2 glasses of water, and then I made it boil. And then I have taken like छन्नी जैसे हम घर में यूज़ करते हैं, and then I have put in the उसके ऊपर मैंने रखा. And then I have जो मैंने डो बनाया, जो रोल बनाया है, मैंने उसके ऊपर रखा. And then I have steamed it for 20 minutes. 20 मिनट्स के लिए मैंने उसको स्टीम किया. एंड देन मीन वाइल आई हैव मेड द 2 डिप्स. मैंने जो 2 डिप बनाने थे वो बनाए. पहला डिप बनाने के लिए मैंने तिल और मखाना, मैंने दोनों को स्टर किया बिल्कुल लाइट सा, उसकी जिससे कि उसका टेस्ट और रिच हो जाता है. एंड देन आई हैव एडेड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड 2 क्लोव्स ऑफ गार्लिक, एंड आई हैव ग्राइंडेड अलॉन्ग विद द फ्रेश मिल्क. इस फ्रेश मिल्क डालने से उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है, और वो और भी रिच हो जाता है टेस्ट में और न्यूट्रिशन में भी. एंड देन अदर डिप मैंने बनाया जो कि ग्रीन डिप है, दैट इज़ लिटिल बिट टेंगी डिप, क्योंकि 2 तरह के टेस्ट बर्ड्स होते हैं बेसिकली लोगों के. एक तो थोड़ा सा क्रीमी होता है, लोग कबाब के साथ क्रीमी डिप पसंद करते हैं, एंड अदर वन दे लाइक बिट ऑफ स्पाइसी एंड टेंगी. फॉर दैट काइंड ऑफ टेस्ट बर्ड आई हैव मेड दैट ग्रीन चटनी. ओनली दिस इंग्रेडिएंट्स आई हैव ग्राइंड इट, एंड देन आफ्टर 20 मिनट्स के बाद मैंने वो वहाँ से रोल निकाल लिया, एंड देन आई हैव कट इट. तो उसके बाद देन आई हैव प्लेट इट अलॉन्ग विद द डिप, फर्स्ट डिप and the second dip.
So what do you hope if you win this contest? What are you going to do with the gift that you get?
Right now I don't know what is the prize, but for winning this contest is a very great for me. So no idea as per now, because I don't know what's there in the prize, but winning here is very much for me. That's it.
Very good. And do you think that contests like these inspire other contestants also to act in such things? If yes, what do you suggest them? What they should basically do?
Contests like this obviously inspire cooking persons like me, and many more housewives, and of course men are also there who love cooking and they want to showcase their talent, and they just need a platform. So I think this kind of platforms are very good initiatives, and there should be like this.
And organizers, some words about organizers. What do you think? How was everything, the entire plan? How do you like it? And the guest chef that were here, they were like really helpful to you, or what? your views?
Definitely, all the organizers have done very well. They have organized all the things very well, and they have communicated with me very well because I am coming from Central Delhi, and it's a bit far for me, and they help us very well. Me and of course the two judges we have here, the two chefs, they are very well known, and I really like to congratulate all the organizers. They have done very well, and I wish that they will do it in future also.
First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you who have participated in Olympics. Round of applause for you guys.
A very warm welcome, Chef Gaurav, Chef Nitin. So, how is the experience going on so far?
I would say that initially when we stepped in, we thought that it's a homemaker who are coming and who will be showcasing their talent. But seeing their level of cooking, so that's what we were discussing, that they are way above that. I can feel that the level of the benchmark has increased at home also. What they are cooking at over here.
It's a good platform for, especially for home chefs, to showcase their talent and getting it checked by senior chefs, which we also at times lack. I've been cooking from 20 years, and the most thing we learn from these home chefs is the innovation. They make things even if they don't have all the ingredients. We as professional chefs are always looking for, if we get all the ingredients, then only we'll make it. So that's something which we can also learn from them. And it's a good motivation for them. They can learn so many things. They could join some good academies where they can, learn these basic skills of, menu engineering basically. And that's the thing I think they require. Otherwise, they are doing excellent job.
So, on what basis, on what grounds, in what regards have you marked them?
So it was very basic, like basic cooking, taste, presentation, plating, personal hygiene, workstation hygiene. Because now it is like it is very important. What the government is also starting Swachh. So it starts from ourselves. So it's like how they keep themselves, how the station is being maintained. It's not about the food which is on the plate. So we tried looking at their back stations also, how they have kept their back station. It all depends, like so those things we have kept in mind.
So, what message would you like to give the winner and people who may not be winning tonight?
One message I think would give it to them is like keep on trying, because every time you try something, you learn something, and that is very important. Today also, one thing I like to mention is that people are really concerned about the hygiene and health. So especially ladies, they're more concerned about their family, their kids, husband, and everyone, and they are using very healthy ingredients to make the dishes. They are using methods of cooking are also changed. Earlier they were all fried things. Today we saw a lot of steamed, a lot of grilled stuff, and a lot of sprouts, a lot of proteins in the food, which is very good. Very really impressed with that.
So, let's have quick 5 tips from each of you on healthy cooking.
I think we should do a lot of steaming, then frying. So that is one. Basic colors. Instead of using the basic colors, we can use the colors which are made by the vegetables, like beetroot can be used, spinach can be used, turmeric. What I mentioned before also, plating is very important. So it's not like your dish is looking really good. It should your eyes, then your heart, then only it comes to the tongue. If we see we don't like it, we will probably not taste it. So the workplace hygiene, the station. So what we say, it's clean as we go. So whatever you have done, you clean, then you start the next thing. So that's.
The cooking method or the time cooking can be either reduced or increased depending upon the dish to give the texture also. They can play a lot of with that also. And as you said, using of colors. Nowadays we have already stopped using synthetic colors specifically. So they can use beetroot juice, spinach, and there are so many other ingredients from which they can use it. So a lot of people are using quinoa, amaranth, and all these things. They can also incorporate in their cooking. Those initially were forgotten now, but now they are again back. These are a few tips which we can, really work on that.
Great. One last message. What would you like to say about the Chef Master event?
I would say that when we were going through, a lot of people, it's not like that they have participated, but they are keep going. They are on the go. So that's the spirit. They have to keep their spirits high. Everyone is a winner. So if one would come out or two would come out, that's different. Otherwise, they should keep going.
Anything you'd like to say?
Yeah, the Grand Master Chef with the contest which we are doing is a very big platform for especially these people who want to showcase their talent, and they have provided them all the ingredients, the cooking thing and everything, and getting them here is a big thing for them. So I think we've done a good job. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
सबसे पहले तो जयप्रकाश आपको बहुत बहुत कंग्रेचुलेशन
Thank you so-
कंपटीशन जीतने के लिए।
थैंक यू सो मच दिल की गहराइयों से।
आपको लग रहा था, थोड़ा डर लग रहा था
पहले थोड़ा वैसे डर नहीं था, मैं पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस था कि मैं ऐसी डिश बनाने जा रहा हूँ कि मैं जीतूंगा ही। बट मेरे लिए पार्टिसिपेशन करना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। मैंने अपना पूरा 1001% मैंने इस डिश को बनाने के लिए दिया, जितना मैं एफर्ट लगा सकता था।
आपने पूरी मेहनत लगाई इसमें।
यस, और एक थोड़ा
क्या बनाया था आपने?
मैंने बनाए थे मिलेट अफगानी मोमोज। तो एक इनोवेशन पे ज़्यादा फोकस था कि कुछ ऐसे मोमोज बनाए जाए जो हेल्दी भी हो और टेस्टी भी हो। तो काफ़ी दिनों से प्लान चल रहा था माइंड में, क्या बनाना है क्या बनाना है क्या बनाना है। तो 2 दिन से सोच भी रहा था माइंड में, थोड़ा नर्वस भी था बनाते बनाते।
तो ये रेसिपी आपने खुद बनाई?
हाँ, ये रेसिपी मेरी खुद की है।
ये खुद की रेसिपी?
यस सर।
और जो उसके साथ चटनी होती है लगभग वही चटनी है जो
नो नो नो, चटनी तो क्या होती है, बेसिकली मोमोज के साथ में रेड शेजवान सॉस सर्व करते हैं जो रेड मिर्ची के साथ बनती है। बट जो यहाँ का थीम था वो न्यूट्रिशियस एंड हेल्दी था। तो कम से कम मसालों में सॉल्ट एंड पेपर यूज़ करके मिंट सॉस बनाई थी, जो मोमोज के साथ एक अच्छा सा फ्लेवर दे रही थी।
और सर आप रेसिपी बता सकते हैं अपने इस मोमोज?
मोमोज की आप मोमोज बनाना चाहते हैं तो आप एक क्वांटिटी ले सकते हैं, अबाउट 100 ग्राम ऑफ मिलेट फ्लावर एंड 60% उसमें अलग से आप व्हीट फ्लावर एंड 60% बेसन, इन तीनों को पानी से गूंद लें। फिर दैन उसके छोटे छोटे बॉल्स बनाएं, उसके अंदर जो भी आप स्टफिंग करना चाहते हो, इसके अंदर पनीर और रेड बेल पेपर, येलो बेल पेपर, ग्रीन पेपर और ऑनियन, इन तीनों को मिक्स करके स्टफिंग बना सकते हैं। मोमोज स्टीम्ड और उसके बाद ग्रिल होना चाहिए आपका, तो थोड़ा सा हार्ड होना चाहिए, वो खाने में क्रिस्पी होना चाहिए उसकी लेयर जो होती है। और देन उसको अफगानी सॉस के साथ मैरिनेट करके प्लेट में गरम गरम सर्व। बेसिकली वैसे मैं शॉप पर फ्राइड करके बनाता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे फ्राइड करना तो ऑयल हो जाता है फिर उसके अंदर, तो इसको ग्रिल किया। या एग्जैक्टली।
और जो ये आपका कुकिंग का शौक है कब से आपने पाला?
वैसे तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी दुनिया में, लाइफ में, कि गवर्नमेंट जॉब के बारे में जाना है, थिएटर में जाना है। लेकिन मेरे को 11th क्लास से मैं पैसों के लिए मैंने अपना खुद का स्टॉल खोला था मोमोज़ का, और मोमोज़ का स्टॉल बनाते बनाते।
आपके घर वालों ने कुछ नहीं बोला इस पे?
नो।
मतलब सपोर्ट किया उन्होंने?
हाँ, यस सर, यस सर। मोमोज़ के लिए वैसे शुरू में मना तो किया था उन्होंने, बट पैसों की नीड मेरे को थी, तो मैंने उसके लिए स्टॉल शुरू किया शुरू में। फिर उसके बाद वो पैशन बनता चला गया मेरा। आज पढ़ाई को साइड करके अब मैं सिर्फ मोमोज पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट हूँ।
कितने साल से आप
अबाउट 10 ईयर्स। अभी गफ्फार मार्केट करोल बाग में निर्मल मोमोज पॉइंट के नाम से शॉप है, मैं वहीं पर होता हूँ।
और आपका इसके अलावा और कोई पैशन कुकिंग के अलावा?
कुकिंग ही पैशन है अब सब कुछ। यस सर।
चलिए बहुत बहुत
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच।
और आगे के लिए भी
थैंक यू सो मच।